The ideal world of affiliate marketing does not require having your one website, dealing with customers, refunds, product development and maintenance. This is one of the easiest ways of launching into an online business and earning more profits. Assuming you are already into an affiliate program, what would be the next thing you would want to do? Double or even triple your commissions, right? How do you do that? Here are some powerful tips on how to boost your affiliate program commissions overnight. 1. Know the best program and products to promote. Obviously, you would want to promote a program that will enable you to achieve the greatest profits in the shortest possible time. There are several factors to consider in selecting such a program. Choose the ones that have a generous commission structure, have products that fit in with your target audience, and that has a solid track record of paying their affiliate easily and on time. If you cannot seem to increase your investments, dump that program and keep looking for better ones. There are thousands of affiliate programs online, which gives you the reason to be picky. You may want to select the best to avoid losing your advertising dollars. Write free reports or short ebooks to distribute from your site. There is a great possibility that you are competing with other affiliates that are promoting the same program. If you start writing short report related to the product you are promoting, you will be able to distinguish yourself from the other affiliates. In the reports, provide some valuable information for free. If possible, add some recommendations about the products. With ebooks, you get credibility. Customers will see that in you, and they will be enticed to try out what you are offering. 2. Collect and save the email addresses of those who download your free ebooks. It is a known fact that people do not make a purchase on the first solicitation. You may want to send out your message more than 6 times to make a sale. This is the simple reason why you should collect the contact information of those who downloaded your reports and ebooks. You can make follow-ups on these contacts to remind them to make a purchase from you. Get the contact information of a prospect before sending them to the vendor's website. Keep in mind that you are providing free advertisement for the product owners. You get paid only when you make a sale. If you send prospects directly to the vendors, chances are they would be lost to you forever. But when you get their names, you can always send other marketing messages to them to be able to earn an ongoing commission instead of a one-time sale only. Publish an online newsletter or a zine. It is always best to recommend a product to someone you know than to sell to a stranger. This is the purpose behind publishing your own newsletter. This also allows you to develop a relationship based on trust with your subscribers. This strategy is a delicate balance between providing useful information with a sales pitch. If you continue to write informative editorials, you will be able to build a sense of reciprocity in your readers that may lead them to support you by buying your products. 3. Ask for higher than normal commission from merchants. If you are already successful with a particular promotion, you should try and approach the merchant and negotiate a percentage commission for your sales. If the merchant is smart, he or she will likely grant your request rather than lose a valuable asset in you. Keep in mind that you are a zero-risk investment to your merchant, so do not be shy about requesting for addition in your commissions. Just try to be reasonable about it. Write strong pay-per-click ads. PPC search engine is the most effective means of advertising online. As an affiliate, you can make a small income just by managing PPC campaigns such as Google AdWords and Overture. Then you should try and monitor them to see which ads are more effective and which ones to dispose of. Try out these strategies and see the difference it can make to your commission checks in the shortest of time.